Today is day 2 for my Bonne Maman advent calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 2. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. Here is door number 2. Let's open it and see what's behind it. And it says, make spirits bright. And we have guava spread. Have I had this guava spread before? In the past, I've had strawberry guava and also orange guava lime. I haven't had plain guava. So I'm going to open this up and see how it tastes. It's a beautiful kind of pinkish orange color. It reminds me of like a ruby red grapefruit. Very interesting flavor. It almost reminds me of candy. I have a bowl of leftover brown jasmine rice. Let's see if we can make a rice waffle with this. Let's use an egg as a binder. Maybe this is like a 1/3 cup of rice. I did not measure it. I'm just gonna keep adding rice until it's a consistency that I think will work good. Let's add a little bit more rice. I don't want it to be too soupy. I might be looking for the consistency of kind of like a rice pudding. And I think this looks good. And since I know the adobo seasoning is delicious with the guava, I'm gonna sprinkle some on here and then mix that in. So this ends up being like a savory waffle, but then it has a sweet topping. Here's the waffle maker. And let's put some of the rice mixture inside. I think this is gonna make 2 waffles. I think that looks good. It's been 5 minutes. This smells really good. It kind of smells like French fries. Let's open this up and see what's going on. Oh, it's really hot. And there's our beautiful waffle. Let's remove it. This is the second one. Here's the beautiful rice waffle. Let's put some of the guava on it. I feel like I would have liked to put some butter on this also, but I should have put that before I put the guava. Or should I still put a little on top? That looks really good. Okay, I'm just gonna move the butter around to melt it a little bit. It would have melted better if it was before I put the guava on it. Okay, let's taste this now. It came out really nice. It's light and airy. I really like the savory waffle with the adobo. It goes so well with the sweet guava. And then the butter just adds some richness to it. That is really delicious. And that's a really quick and easy way to use up some leftover brown rice. And that's how you can make a rice waffle in a Dash mini waffle maker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make with the fruit spreads in this Bonne Maman advent calendar. Have a great day and enjoy the holiday season.